What's up, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing free stuff video. And no, I did not get my brand new Adidas cap free. I actually had to buy this from Ross Dress for Less. I just figured I might as well show it off. So you make sure you watch that review. All right, so we have 7 items here. Pretty much slow week. It's not a mountain of freebies. It's just a small hill. Let's go ahead and start from the top. One of these brown envelopes. It could be a phone case. It's something flat, something lightweight. Okay, what can it be? If I just open this up properly. Man, I need some Wolverine claws to open this up. Okay, what can this be? It is, what is this? Big Gel Rfid blocking credit card metal wallet. Look at this. Wow. So this is going to be one of those small size RFID wearable wallets. Excited about that. Always about the fashion. Okay, so this is in a box. Shipped all the way from, what can this be? Torrance, California. Let's open this up properly. I hope it's not another dashboard mount because I'm getting a little bit tired reviewing those. I'm not gonna lie, guys. There are a couple of items that I'm kind of sick of reviewing. I think it's dashboard mount, shower heads, and electric toothbrush. Oh, what is this? Wireless controller for NS. Oh my goodness, look at this. Yes, it's a wireless controller for Nintendo Switch. That's gonna be cool. Look at how awesome that is. That's cool design right there. Okay, pretty cool week already. All right. I can always use some electronics and tools. That's always helpful. I'm a big fan of that. And of course, if anybody send me a brand new computer, I would be love to review that too. And what's this right here? Oh my goodness, look at this packaging. Fancy G1. What is this? Asus? I don't even know what this is. Digital music player. Oh my goodness. Yes. It's a good week. I think it's like a WAV or MP3 player. Okay, get into the more elegant stuff. I guess size does matter. So here we go. Oh snap! Yes, I've always wanted a working trail camera. So this is Wi-Fi 812 Pro, Wi-Fi Bluetooth 4K 36 megapixel camera. Look at this trail camera. I think last time when I reviewed one, it didn't work. So I had to return it. All right. Pretty pumped up right now. Got me all excited. What's this? Oh, what is this? What's this? Dish drying mats. Oh, this is one of those mats for the kitchen. I need this for my cutting board. Okay. Oh wow, this is quite heavy. Sheesh. I know laptops aren't that heavy nowadays, so it can't be a laptop unless hook me up with 3 different laptops. Ooh, what can it be? Something heavy, something metallic, stainless steel maybe? This is, am I right? Heavy. Oh, there's no picture or anything. What is this? This is there's no description or anything. Computer stand. Oh yes, I think there's a wooden computer stand. All right. All right, let's get to the last and final box. Somewhat heavy. Oh, make sure I don't cut myself with this. All right, slice that up properly. A box of money. Brand new printed Benjamins. What is this? What is that? Oh snap! Nose wireless speaker. Look at this. I think this is an outdoor wireless speaker. Oh wow, and I bet you it has fancy RGB LED lights too. Wow, I'm pretty excited for this week. So these are my upcoming reviews, and this is my YouTube life.